In this application, we are going to see the use of LED as a photodiode and what applications can be created using this. We will see the touch screen now. So I'm going to unlock the badge. Now the red LED does not glow, indicating that the touch screen is active. This is just a touch screen demo. We have a set of logos, and when you press right, the logos, the next logos come. If you press left, the previous logos are displayed. So this proves that we can use these LEDs as the property of LEDs as photodiodes in creating touch screens. So the next application I want to demonstrate is the shadow. In this shadow, for going to shadow, I have to press the button E6. So since all lights are on, it shows all the LEDs. Now I'm going to move a pencil over this, and you can see that wherever I move the pencil, those corresponding LEDs stop glowing. So this indicates, this is how we get data from the touch screen, and this is how we get data from the matrix LED display. So the next application using this is the badge talk application, data transfer between two badges. In this, I'll first set up this badge as the receiver. So now to set up this as a receiver, I press E1, which is the badge application. So press E1 for receiver. I press E1 for receiver, it shows the steps. Step 1. The step 1 is to place the sender on top of the receiver. These are given in the abstract. So the step 2 is to make sure the LEDs are aligned. Now it will say the receiver is ready to receive. Set up this, do the steps 1 and 2. Now I'm going to set up the sender. So I'm going to switch it on, unlock this, get into this application, and I'm going to press E2 to set it up as the sender. Before that, I need to create an image. So to create an image, what I do is I go to E2 to create an image. I create an image. I just press the center button. Press these two buttons so that I create some image. Now I'm going to exit this image. This image will be stored in the buffer. This is going to be used for transfer. Meanwhile, the receiver is configured, so we can directly configure it as the sender and send the image. So I want to save it. It's in the buffer, so I'm going to configure it as the sender. I'm going to press E2. So it gives the step, set up the receiver. So I've set up the receiver and press a key. So I've set up the receiver is ready here, and I'm going to press a key here and place the sender over the receiver and make sure the gaps are aligned, the holes are aligned. After that, I make sure the rows are aligned, and once the data transfer starts, these two LEDs indicate green colored. So when these two LEDs are glowing with green, it indicates that data transfer is in this progress. Now this LED has become red. So this indicates that data transfer is over, and if you want the image, you can press E8 to obtain the image. So now I'm going to store this image. I'm just going to save this. That's it. I'm going to enter the image application, and I'm going to just click save. I'm going to press the location as 1. So this will save location as 1. So this will save the corresponding image that is in this, and you can see the corresponding image has been saved. You can retrieve this later. This is how the two badge boards communicate with each other, and this is how exciting applications can be created using LEDs as photodiodes.